Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mawahib Private School, Mathematics Department. How are you, grade 1? I hope that all of you are fine. Today we are going to have revision. And our topic is about multiplying and dividing by 2, 5, and 10. Today we are not going to write in the book. We are going to have a short revision about multiplication and division. And what I want from you is to bring a white paper, try to write the questions and find the answers. Then you can check your answer after I show you the answer of each question. Are you ready? Let's read the first question. What is the answer of 5 multiplied by 3? Could you find the answer? What you are going to do? Can you skip by 3? We didn't learn until now how to skip by 3. So we are going to skip by 5. Skip by 5. You have 3 times 5. You can open 3 fingers and start to skip. Are you ready? Am I to show the answer? The answer is 15. Now let's have one more. What is the answer of 7 times 10? Now you will skip by 10. You have 7 times 10 equal what? Open 7 and start to skip. I know that you can do it. Are you ready? Am I to show the answer? Well done. The answer is 70. What about 8 times 2? Do you remember how to skip by 2? It's very easy. Do you remember the even numbers? We said that all the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Now, can you skip by 2 and find the answer? You have 8 2's. 8 times 2. Now, open 8, skip by 2, and try to find the answer. Write it on your paper. Are you ready? I'm waiting for you. 3, 2, 1. Very good. The answer is 16. 8 times 2 equal 16. Now let's have a look on this question. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What do we have here? We are repeating. We are repeating the plus, so it's a repeated addition. If we have repeated addition, what we can use instead of the repeated addition? We can use multiplication. Now check here how many 2's we have. Count how many 2's. Very good. We have 4 2's. So we can say 4 times 2. Can you write on your paper 4 times 2? Start to write it. Then you will skip by 2 and find the answer. 4 times 2. Let me show you the answer and you check what you write. 4 times 2 equal 8. Very good. We have one more about repeated addition, but at this time we have 10. We are repeating number 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now, how many times I repeat the 10? Can you write it as a multiplication sentence? Start to write it on your paper. How many times we repeat the 10? How many tens we have? Very good. We have 5 tens. Now write 5 times 10 equal. Can you find the answer? Let me show you the answer. Very good. 5 times 10 equal 50. Very good. One more about repeated addition. We have 5 plus 5 plus 5. We are repeating number 5. Now, again, you are going to check how many times we repeat the 5. 3 times. So now you have to write a multiplication sentence. 3 times 5 equal. Very good. 3 times 5 equal 15. Look at this one. I know that you are smart and you can do this one. True or false? 5 multiplied by 2 equal 2 multiplied by 5? They are same. Is this true or false? Try to think. Yes, the answer here it's true. Why it's true? Tell me why. Because multiplication can be done in any order. We can switch the places of the numbers. Now, let's have a look on this question. True or false? 5 multiplied by 2 equal 20 divided by 2. Try to think. Is it true? 5 by 2 equal 20 divided by 2? Write it on your paper. If you want to find the answer, or if you want to know is it true or false, you have to find the answer of each number sentence first. I want you first to think about 5 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2 equal what? Write it on your paper. What about 20 divided by 2? If I have 20 and I will divide it by 2, equal what? Which number, if I multiply by 2, it gives me 20? This will be the answer. Now let me show you the answer. This sentence, it's true. Why? Because 5 by 2 or 5 times 2 equal 10. And 20 divided by 2 equal 10. That's why the sentence here, it's true. Multiplication and division word problems. Now let's revise multiplication and division through some word problems. We are going to start with the multiplication word problems. I will read the word problem slowly and I want you to try to think, and if you have the white paper, you start to write the numbers that you are going to use from this word problem. Let's read. Sam has 4 plant pots. She wants to plant 2 beans in each pot. How many beans must she buy? I will explain now. Sam, you can see the picture here. She has 4 pots and she wants to plant 2 beans. She wants to put 2 beans into each pot. Now we want to know how many beans must she buy. So I have the number of the pots, which is 4. And I have the number in each pot. That's why I can write a multiplication sentence out of this story, because I need to find the total, how many beans she's going to buy. Let's look at how you would work this out. Hold your paper now and your pencil. Start to write with me. You could add first, because you have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can write addition sentence about this story. She has 2 beans in each pot, so we are going to repeat the number 2 4 times. Then we will skip by 2 and find the R8. If you are repeating the same number in an addition number sentence, so we can write now a multiplication sentence. So I can write 4 times 2 equal 8. This is my first multiplication word problem. The second multiplication word problem. I will start to read and you try to understand the problem, then we will start to solve it together. Malak has 5 packs of pencils. Each pack has 10 pencils. How many pencils does she have all together? Now, can you show this as an addition number sentence? Use your pencil now and write an addition sentence about this story. She has 5 packs of pencils. In each pack we have 10 pencils. Then you are going to repeat number what? Very good. You will repeat number 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal, skip by 10, equal 50. Now, Can you show this as a multiplication number sentence? Of course we can, because we are repeating the same number. So we can write this as a multiplication sentence. How many times I repeat, or how many groups I have? 5. Times what I repeat? 10. So 5 times 10 equal 50. Let's read the last multiplication word problem. There are 6 sunflowers in the garden. Each sunflower has 5 petals. How many petals do the sunflowers have altogether? Now, can you show this as an addition number sentence? Start to write an addition sentence about this story, and you can look at the sunflowers here in the picture. You can write now an addition sentence. We have 6 sunflowers, and in each sunflower we have 5 petals. Okay, now start to write what you are going to repeat. Number 5. So we are going to have, now we check your answer, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Oh, I'm repeating number 5 for 6 times. So 6 5's equal 30. If you skip by 5, you will find the R 30. Now, can you write a multiplication sentence? I give you time to write the sentence. Start to write a multiplication number sentence. Very good. Now you can check your answer. 6 times 5 equal 30. It's time to start in division word problems. These word problems will involve dividing by 2, dividing by 5, and dividing by 10. Let's read the first one. A sweet making machine puts 10 lollies in each bag. If the machine makes 90 lollies in total, how many bags can it fill? Let me explain first. I told you here that we have a machine. This machine, it makes 10 lollies in each bag. It puts 10 lollies in each bag. And we have 90 lollies in total. So here I'm giving you the total number. That's the difference between division and multiplication. In multiplication, you have to find the total. But in division, you have the total and you will use it to find the number in each group, or you will find the number of groups. At this time, I tell you the number in each bag. It's what? 10 in each bag. Then I want you to think and find how many bags we need. If I tell you I have 90, then I will divide the 90 by 10. 90 divided by 10. How can I find the answer? We are going to skip by 10 until we reach 90. Start to skip. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many fingers you open? 9. So 90 divided by 10 equal 9. The second division word problem. Joe has 12 small chocolate bars. He has 12 small chocolate bars and wants to share them between himself and his little brother. So he's going to share between 2 persons. How many chocolate bars do they each get? So he has how many in all? He has 12 in total. And he will share between 2. Now we want to find how many for each one. So we are going to use division. If we have the word sharing, so we are going to use division. So I will say 12 divided by 2. I have 2 persons. Now if you will divide the 12 by 2, try to think which number, if I multiply by 2, it gives me 12. If you don't know, use your fingers and skip by 2 until you reach 12. Close your fingers. Start with me now. Skip by 2. Each finger you will say 2, you will open it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many fingers I open? I open 6 fingers. So now 12 divided by 2 equal 6. So for each person, we are going to give 6. The last division word problem, or the last word problem we are going to have today. Let's read the problem. Mel counts 40 small dog biscuits left over in her bag. She wants to share them between her 5 dogs. How many dog biscuits does each dog get? So we are going to share how many, what is the total number? 40. And we will share it between 5 dogs. So we have 40 divided by 5. Now how can I share 40 between 5? You can do this in 2 ways. Either you draw 5 circles and you start to share equally the 40 biscuits, or you skip by 5 until you find number 40, then you count how many fingers you are going to open. Close your fingers, start to skip. Start by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now check on your hand how many fingers you open to reach 40. 8. So 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Thank you, grade 1. I hope you enjoyed this revision for today. Thank you, parents, for your cooperation.